Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our FS University account. So let's get started. So to log into your FS University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for FS University login. And after searching for FS University login, you'll come up to this page. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. From here, what you can do is just simply tap on the second option, which is from FS University. So after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this website, and from here you can log into your account. So to log into your account, what you have to do is just simply tap on login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on login, now what you can do is just select one of these options. You can select campus login or you can select mobile login. So I'll tap on campus login. So after tapping on that option, now you'll come up to this page where you can just enter your Falcon Key username. After entering that, you have to enter your Falcon Key password. And after entering those, you can just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your FS University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.